WPS Office can convert an Excel document into PDF with the same format for free. Take this table as an example. Click Edit and open the toolbar. In the File tab, select Export to PDF. In this interface, we can preview the converted document. If we're not satisfied with the existing preview style, for example, we want the table to fill a whole page, then we can head back to the Edit page and increase the row height and column width of the table. Select the table data and open the toolbar. Click Resize in the Home tab to modify the size of table rows and columns. Enter the suitable values at row height and column width. Select Export to PDF once again. Now the table covers the whole page. After setting the table, we can edit the watermarks of the file. Tips: the average users could only export documents with a WPS logo, while more alternatives are available to premium users. For example, we can choose whether to remove the logo or add anti-counterfeit to create a unique watermark style in your document. Furthermore, if you want to ensure the security of the file, preventing it from being altered, you can also export it to Image PDF. Click Export to PDF to confirm the conversion. Select the Save path and click Export to PDF again. Then click View Now to open the PDF file. Therefore, an Excel document is perfectly converted into a PDF file. We genuinely recommend you to use WPS Office on PC to experience more handy and free functions of table editing.